Got my 2010 Honda Fit here. I just got the Hks exhaust installed. It looks pretty good. All you need to do is unbolt this bolt. It's a size 12 millimeter, and this one, when it comes undone, then come around the back, undo these exhaust hangers. I just used one of these and pried it right here. And pried like this. Came off pretty easy. Nothing ripped. Nice and clean. Didn't get any fingerprints on there. I'm doing a startup right now. Sounds pretty quiet. I drove the vehicle earlier, so it's not super cold. It is cold, I guess. I'll let it warm up for a second. I gotta put on my Tein coilovers. Tein, whatever you wanna call it. It's already on lowering springs. Not too loud, but it sounds a little better and aesthetically pleasing.